Okay, today we're going to be talking about commission. The more sales I make, the more I'll get paid. You'll learn how to calculate the sales based on commission. 8% means per 100. For example, 20% is 20 parts of 100. To change a percent to a decimal, move the decimal left two spaces and get rid of the percent sign. So for 83.5%, we move it 2 to the left to get 0.835. Change these percents to decimals. Okay, to change a decimal to a percent, do the opposite of what you did when going the other direction. Move the decimal to the right 2 spaces and add a percent sign. Change these decimals to a percent. Commission is an income earned by an individual based on the sales the individual makes. Commission becomes a part of the salesperson's salary, wages. Sometimes it's the only income. The other companies pay a salary plus a commission. Companies set their own rates for commission, so there is no absolute rule, but it's most often 8% of the sale price. The equation for calculating commission: sales price times the percent of sale equals commission. How it works: George sells diamonds. He earns 5% on his sales. He sells $23,000 this week. How much is he going to make in straight commission? So we're going to change the percentage to a decimal, then multiply it by the amount of sales that he has to get $1,150. These people sell diamonds. They earn commissions based on the table. How much does each make in commission? There's a second way commission can be figured. It is based on a quota system. Under this system, the salesman is encouraged to reach a specific quota or level in sales. He will either earn an hourly rate before that level of sales, or his sales will be figured at a lower commission rate below that quota and a higher rate after the quota is met. How it works: John has a weekly quota on car sales of $25,000. For any sales up to his quota, he earns 5% commission. For any sales over $25,000, he earns 9% commission. If John sells $30,000 worth of cars this week, how much does he make in commission? So our first step is to go ahead and change both the percentages into a decimal. Then we're going to subtract $25,000 from that $30,000. So we know that on the price over $25,000, we're going to use $5,000 of it at that 9%. So then the $25,000, we're going to multiply it by 0.05 and get $1,250. And then that other $5,000, we're going to multiply by 0.09 to get $450. Then we're going to add those two amounts together to get $1,700. Okay, go ahead and practice with these people. These people also sell cars. They earn commission based on the table. How much money does each make in commission? Review. Which direction do you move a decimal if you want to change a percent to a decimal? What is the equation for commission? If you earn 10% commission on $3,596 in sales, how much is your commission?